And one of the core capabilities that we have in the lab here is 3D printing for prototyping. Printing larger, more industrial plastic parts, we would use the FDM printers that would print a part such as this one. We have a variety of metal parts that we can print. We can print industrial parts. A really interesting project that was carried out was actually medical modeling of a tumor that was in a dog. So this is a model of a tumor that was removed, and then a metal plate was printed out using a metal 3D printer, and then that was inserted into the pet after the surgery to save its life. And you can see that we do have high capabilities in making medical models that have the right texture, the right flexibility, and the right color and look that could be used, for example, for medical students.